before using Arkstone, one of the biggest challenges we faced was the complexity of interpreting the results in a way that are both clinically, actionable and easy for providers to use at the point of care. Me being the clinical liaison back and forth from the lab to the clinics, I can tell you before, most of my days were spent, talking to the PAs and nurse practitioners, and trying to help them interpret this data. And, I'd be getting calls every day, several times every hour, sometimes from the same provider, because they weren't used to seeing it, and it was so much data that it was new to them. Molecular testing can offer, generates a large amount of detailed information, and being able to translate that into clear treatment guidance, it at times, required back and forth from back here to the lab to the clinic that slowed down decision making. So with Arkstone, we were able to streamline that process by delivering not only accurate results, but also treatment recommendations that aligned with stewardship guidelines, and that we saw a reduction in delays, and it really honestly supported better patient outcomes. We would see quickly one provider turn into two, turn into three, turn into the whole clinic started using it, because that one provider was really able to speak to how beneficial that the reporting was. So I'd say Arkstone has really differentiated us in the market, because one, in terms of client retention, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Providers appreciate not having to call for clarification as often, and feel more confident in their treatment decisions, which ultimately strengthens the trust back here with us, Infinite Genomics. Arkstone sets Infinite Genomics apart from other laboratories. It's backed by that evidence-based stewardship recommendations, which many labs, don't offer. And I feel like that combination has positioned us not only as just a testing lab, but again, to our ultimate goal, which is being a true partner in patient care. So, looking ahead, I see tremendous opportunity to deepen our partnership and deliver, more value to our clients. We will continue to integrate Arkstone fully into the workflow as we continue to expand in the range of infectious disease panels, and provide even more tailored guideline-based recommendations.